Assalamualaikum, welcome our channel. Today in this video I will show how to connect, create and drop MySQL database from command line interface. I have mentioned here step-by-step guideline. You can follow this guideline. It is very easy, and if you see the step, then it will be very easy for you. At first I need to connect with the database. I will mention here the instruction and password. You see it will be connected very soon. See, database is created. Drop the database. It is dropped. See, this is very simple, and you can do it from command line. Wait for our next video. Thank you.